A short drive from Austin, two savvy homeowners found a way to create a sustainable, fire-resistant homestead that doubles as a retirement retreat. Together with her husband, the owner and designer of this Wimberley home spent 2 years designing a fire-resistant house on an elevated, natural hill country site. The one-story structure with garage, guest house, and workshop combines resilience and adaptability in energy and water consumption, facilitating long-term affordability. Thoughtful accommodations and design considerations for aging in place make this a sustainable project with an eye on the future. This property sits surrounded by the beautiful Texas Hill Country and houses the couple's extensive art collection. To help protect both the property and the treasured art within, increased durability against wildfire was a major consideration for these creative homeowners and project leaders. The first step in their journey towards a sustainable homestead was terracing the natural slope and removing underbrush from a large area around the house, creating a safe, fuel-free zone. Fire resistance was a key factor in choosing non-combustible structural and thermal envelope materials, so the homeowners used insulated concrete form for exterior walls, as well as metal studs, roof, and cladding. They decided on concrete flooring, both indoors and on the exterior decks, keeping the use of wood safely confined to the roof decking. Indoors, a range of visible and invisible elements contribute to this home's energy efficiency, as well as to the well-being of its occupants. Immediately apparent is the abundance of natural light streaming through the floor-to-ceiling windows, contributing to the sense of space and displaying the couple's art collection to its best effect. The windows are shaded by a wide overhang on the outside of the building, helping the Energy Star ceiling fans maintain comfortable temperatures in the main living space and keeping cooling costs down. At night, LED lighting provides efficient, cost-effective electric light to the home. From a sustainability perspective, there is also hard-working technology that is invisible to the casual visitor. Insulated concrete forms provide both the wall structure and the insulation system. Under the roof deck, spray foam insulation helps keep the home at a comfortable temperature, while a variable speed heat pump provides efficient air conditioning. All of the home's hot water lines are insulated with R4 insulation, increasing the speed with which hot water reaches the user, wherever they are in the home. Even the most enthusiastic chef can find their kitchen uncomfortably hot, especially on a Texas summer day. Thoughtful design allows the home's kitchen to be unaffected by direct sunlight during the hottest months, helping keep the warmest room of the house cool and comfortable. Solar tubes provide light throughout the day, removing the need for electric lighting. During the cooler months, the kitchen benefits from the last of the late afternoon sunshine. In many homes, the bathrooms remain completely in the dark, requiring electric light even on the brightest of days. Abundant windows in bathrooms can be perceived as impractical and usually add to heating and cooling loads. But here, the bathroom window faces into a peaceful, sheltered courtyard, protecting the room from direct sunlight for most of the day, year-round. The indirect daylight from the interior courtyard offers the occupants a calming connection to the outdoors while maintaining privacy. This earth-conscious home is supplied solely by rainwater, meaning that water efficiency and conservation is a key consideration year-round. The bathrooms host 1.0 GPM faucets and ultra-high-efficiency toilets that only use 1 gallon per flush, minimizing the risk of wasting precious water. The forward-looking homeowners have also included thoughtful and practical solutions to make sure that this is their forever home. The bathroom is equipped with roll-under cabinets and a roll-in, no-step shower. Right-sized windows in the bedroom provide sufficient natural lighting, with blinds allowing the occupants to control the levels of light and darkness, perfect for sleeping late or afternoon naps. This tranquil haven is kept comfortable by Energy Star ceiling fans, reducing the need for frequent adjustments to the thermostat. On the roof, an 11-kilowatt south-facing solar array provides power to the home, taking advantage of one of Texas's most abundant renewable resources, sunshine. Solar tubes provide indirect natural light to interior areas that are further away from the windows. The roof's wide overhangs shade the floor-to-ceiling windows on all sides of the house, helping to maintain comfortable temperatures without losing the benefits of the daylight and spectacular hill country views. On the south side of the home, a multi-purpose porch and carport provides both sun and rain cover for unloading the car, as well as a shaded play space for the dogs and the grandchildren. It also serves a second purpose as the support for the solar array, making this feature both practical and enjoyable. Universal design elements like the no-step rear entrance offer accessibility, safety, and long-term comfort for aging in place. The exterior light fixtures are shielded from night sky, protecting the dark sky and providing the perfect opportunity for stargazing. Photocell controllers turn off the lights automatically when it's time to go indoors. A wide wraparound porch shades the house and owners all day. The generous space facilitates plentiful opportunities for outdoor living and entertaining, even in the height of summer or during a spectacular Texas rainstorm. No excuses necessary to enjoy that stunning surrounding landscape. Shade screens protect the sliding glass doors from the afternoon sun and improve energy efficiency. Beneath the deck, a 38,000-gallon rainwater cistern provides water for both the home and its native landscaping, with aluminum rain gutters collecting valuable rainwater from the entire roof. A first flush reservoir removes the first debris and dirty water after each rainfall event. A UV filter then completes the potable water filtration process, making it ready for use. The splendor of the home's natural setting is enriched by the drought-tolerant native plants that surround it. The homeowners and their guests can enjoy the beauty of the surrounding landscape without needing to worry about costly and wasteful irrigation. Rainwater is conserved for other uses around the home and in the vegetable garden. Away from the main house, an annex building serves as a separate workshop for projects and an inviting space for guests. A metal roof reflects the sun's heat, while the small windows provide just enough daylight for the space while maintaining comfortable temperatures inside. A mini split heat pump is sufficient to efficiently maintain temperatures in a space with low heating and cooling needs. The workshop space is equipped with a ceiling fan, helping to cool people who are hard at work when it's not quite hot enough to need the AC. In another nod to a sustainable future, the garage is set up with a 240-volt outlet, making it ready to power an electric vehicle. A Murphy bed, perfect for this small space, allowed the owners to build a functional, inexpensive guest house for visiting family or friends. A ceiling fan cools occupants when it isn't hot enough to need the AC. With such thoughtful planning and attention to detail, this couple will enjoy years of relaxed, sustainable living. This beautiful, environmentally conscious home provides inspiration to others who are interested in planning fire-smart home projects while ensuring home comfort for years to come.